So I suppose technically, technically, you could use that other room as an office or as a family room, and this one be kept as nice and rainy weather. Okay. Whew. Silong. Okay. So today, I will be showing you around this super brand new house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So as you can see, it's really nice and rainy here, but we're still glad we can show you the house. So from the comfort of this overhang, we will be staying dry, myself and John. And I will just be pointing to the 3-car port. The reason being, not just because it's raining, but because, as I mentioned, sobrang bago ng bahay, hindi pa siya tapos, to the point na wala pa nga light switches. So, it's safe to say that there are lots of building and construction materials over there, including, but not limited to, a scaffolding, so we're just gonna steer clear away from that area. But trust, that is a 3-car carport. Okay, so from your pedestrian entrance, you swerve to the right, your left, my right, and that will lead you to your main entrance. Okay, so you have this really nice double doors, nice wooden vertical lines, and upon entering, high ceiling. So I love this layout, very linear, very clean, very spacious, yet cozy. Because it is a huge space vertically, but right here, considering this space, it's perfect as a living area. Now you have here sliding doors that has access to the side of your house, aka your garden, all the way around to the back. But as you can imagine, it is raining, so we're not gonna go out there. And it's locked, so. And then when you turn around, you'll be able to see your main entrance, as well as this lower ceilinged hallway. So I just want to point this out. I'm gonna estimate that this is roughly about 6 meters in height, more or less, just because I feel like this one is roughly around 2.8, 2.9 meters. Same for the second floor. So the fact that I can see these, more or less, it's around 6 or so meters high. Itong portion na to. Okay, so from here, nakabukas na yung door, medyo panira, but this door leads to the storage under the stairs, and it is actually quite a big storage room. And then the next door leads to bedroom number 1. So you have this space. It's actually quite bright in here, pero yun nga, medyo makulimlim. So, well, actually, I feel like it's gonna be bright in the video anyway. And then you have your ensuite, toilet, and bath. I would open the lights for you, but yun nga, wala pang mga light panels. I cannot touch the exposed wires. Okay, but you have your enclosed shower space, your water closet, and your sink. This room is perfect as an elderly room or as an office, study, or anything that you would prefer to have on the ground floor. And it's gonna be right in front of your formal dining area. So this area, though it is open and basically when you speak in here, dinig siya dun sa sala. However, it is visually blocked by the wall in the middle, which is nice, for privacy. And mga abang kita naman eh. So obviously this is meant for your lighting fixture, etc. And you have these nice and big windows to let the light in as well as the air or the breeze. It also comes with a metal screen. Baka hindi lang super obvious kasi ang daming stickers. Okay, so you have here a double swing door, which means it swings in and out, as well as another door over there that comes from the hallway where we came from. Tama ba? Did you guys get that? So, dalawang access for a double swing door to your kitchen. And what a kitchen it is. You've got so much surface to work on. You've got an island counter. You've got all of this U-shaped countertop. You've got space or allocation for your double door refrigerator. Ang lapad niya. That's gonna fit to a double door ref. Then your range, your hood, and then your double sink. Then of course here, okay, hindi pa siya tapos, but you have access to your everyday kitchen or your outdoor dirty kitchen. So you have your sink over here, more scaffolding, and then access to the side of your house, again, which leads back out into your living area, a sliding door. Okay, let's go out here. I know, wala pang switches. Okay, hold this for you. And that's essentially your ground floor. Actually, if we went out to the 3 carport, you would be able to see the separate female staff quarters and male staff quarters, each with their own ensuite toilet and bath. Pero yung ginagawa pa kasi siya. I mean, technically the structure itself is done, pero madami pang, like we can't go there and bother people working on it. Okay, so let's go up the second floor.
This video is sponsored by Carousel, the leading online platform for buying and selling new and second-hand goods. In Carousel, everyone wins. Buy, sell, give. Anything goes.
By the way, if you haven't already, make sure you click subscribe because we see you watching our videos and we are super thankful. But we also need to know physically if you do like them by subscribing. It lets us know that you enjoy them just as much as we enjoy making the videos. Okay, so on the second floor, immediately you can see here your living area. So it peers over, you have this really nice balcony, and then you have this hallway. So over to your left, my right, is bedroom number 2, aka the master bedroom. So it would have been super bright in here, but it's rainy and it's still nice. So you have access to a balcony that spans all the way from here to around here. So essentially it's at the front of your house, right smack in the center. Then you've also got your built-ins. This one's for your entertainment, this one is for your wardrobe. And of course it wouldn't be a master toilet and bath without an ensuite. A master bedroom without an ensuite toilet and bath. So you have your his and her sinks. These mirrors act as medicine cabinets as well. Your water closet, your enclosed shower space, and of course, more wardrobe space. Okay, let's check out the other rooms. Okay, so I like how the wood that they used are contrasting and very subtle in color. So the flooring is a sort of ashy, medium-ish brown, whereas the wardrobe is a dark wenge. So they are all wood laminates, but the developer decided to use ones that are, again, subtle in color and have high contrast, so dark and light, which makes for this really clean and timeless effect. Okay, so down the hallway, we have here then bedroom number 3. So this one has a built-in for, is this a wardrobe? Let me check. Okay, this one is wardrobe, and then it also has space for a computer, actually no, an entertainment desk. And then some bed space, and it has an ensuite toilet and bath. This, however, is shared. So you have your enclosed shower, your water closet. This is shared between bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. So the space is generally the same, except this time the built-in is more of a wardrobe and less of an entertainment system. So I suppose technically, you could use that other room as an office or as a family room, and this one be kept as a bedroom. But really, it's up to you. If you need 5 bedrooms, no problem. And to bedroom number 5. So again, space, your wardrobe or built-in wardrobe, and then this one is for your entertainment. And of course, you have an ensuite, toilet and bath. So because the entertainment is right there behind John, ideally you'd want to put the bed over here. Kaso medyo magiging masikip because there's this, right? If your bed is about 2 meters, it would have to be around here. Masikip. So ideally your bed would be right here. Bahala na yung TV, diba? So okay lang yan. Okay, recap. Okay, so you've got 380 square meters of floor area and 280 square meters of lot area. You've got 5 rooms. Actually, yung isa medyo alangan ako kung bedroom siya because again, you can't turn it into an office. So let's just say you've got 5 rooms, 4 bedrooms with an ensuite, toilet and bath, but the other toilet and bath is shared with the den. You've got your huge kitchen with 2 access points, both of which are double swing doors. Your separated living room and dining room. You've got this really nice high ceiling. You've got 2 stories with, again, in this lot, that also has a 3-car carport with a separate female staff quarters and male staff quarters. Ang gulo ba? You just refer to this. Saan mo ba ilalagay yung wherever the text is, refer to that. So, ang gulo ng information na sinabi ko. But again, the most important bit is you have a beautiful home here and it's right in BF Homes, Paranaque. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a home like this, share this video to them, or if you want to see it for yourself, do send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here. I know.